Gregory from Boca Raton, Florida, has a moldy wall question.
Well, they're behind the washing machine. He sent this picture in of his wall. You see where the mold is building up back there?
On that piece of pipe, I do.
Well, and down in here, you can see it a little further.
A little drip, baby.
They're also underneath the air handler, he says, and when I moved the stove, there was an indication of more that was covered by paint. Tom Gregory wants to know, what's his best remedy for this?
We got to find out why it's happening. Is it his air conditioning system? Is it the pipe that's sweating and dripping down the wall? I mean, there's a lot of different things it could be, but it's more of a algae, it looks like, the way the picture is. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm looking again, but see, it's all green and stuff. So there's some kind of dripping going on with that pipe. It's probably a sweating problem.
You think, yeah, especially since there's like nothing around it or anything.
You see how it kind of just going right down?
Yeah.
So there's something with that pipe. It's probably sweating. What that pipe is, I don't know, but if it's cold, it's going to, like a beer can. You know, you have a koozie on a beer can, it'll get condensate on there and just have enough moisture to cause that kind of problem. Behind the other place where he said they painted over it, I'm not sure about that. But on that one there, I think that pipe is a cold pipe and it's actually sweating.
Yeah, koozie's a brand name.
I'm sorry.
It's a foam drink insulator.
Okay, fine. Well, maybe you should put a foam drink insulator on his pipe. Or you can put some foam on there, but I have a feeling that pipe is sweating.
Do you think that's what it's going to come down to, insulate the pipe, you think?
Yeah, I do.
And how would you clean that off? You just put some bleachy water? Or
bleach and water, man.
Okay.
Just clean it. That's what it takes.
There you go. And you know what it takes to get help with your questions and answers? Sending them to us. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Wait, you may already have. Click on that Ask Tom button. It's up in the upper right-hand corner. Send it our way. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.